Hi everyone.
In this video we will look at the mosquito that helped the police, the trees that maintain social distance, about a creature that hides sperm in itself and becomes pregnant when it likes, and many other. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the Bible is the highest-selling book in the world. The full Bible has been translated into over 3,000 languages. Among those include fictional languages like Elvish, Klingon and Na'vi. The first stethoscope was invented in 1816 by French doctor René Laennec and consisted of a wooden tube, similar to an ear trumpet. The stethoscope was first invented because the inventor felt uncomfortable placing his ear on a woman's bare chest to listen to her heartbeat. In 2008, Finnish police found a dead mosquito inside the stolen car while searching for clues to find the thief, and decided to send the insect for analysis. They tested the blood from the mosquito's last meal, and the DNA found from laboratory tests is successfully used to identify the thief. A 21-year-old Indonesian man named Muhammad Didit became an overnight sensation when he posted a 2-hour-long video of him doing nothing on YouTube. The video, which has almost 3.4 million views, shows him sitting and staring at the camera. Interestingly, the Indonesian YouTuber planned to do nothing for only 5 to 10 minutes, but he reportedly got into character so well that he decided to roll with it for over 2 hours. Later, many tried the same concept, but none of those videos were successful. If you also want to watch this video, I have given the link in the description. These high-profile kisses by Hollywood celebrities had less to do with love and more to do with charity. But they were all for a good cause. George Clooney raised $350,000 for AIDS research by auctioning a kiss to a young woman during a 2007 charity auction. Again later, Clooney gave her one for free. A Chinese app called Hire Me Please allows users to instantly hire girlfriend or boyfriend, and recently blew up in popularity. The founder, Cao Tianxian, originally created the app to help out adults who live and work alone in big cities. And also girls can be rented at some shopping malls in China. Here the single shoppers can rent a girlfriend to keep them company while they shop. Coca-Cola and Pepsi are usually bitter enemies, but when PepsiCo Incorporated got a letter offering Coke trade secrets, it went straight to its corporate rival. In 2006, a Coca-Cola employee offered to sell Coca-Cola secrets to Pepsi for $1.5 million. Pepsi responded by notifying Coca-Cola. Humans may not be the only ones forced to socially distance from each other to avoid deadly diseases. Trees also follow the concept. Take, for instance, crown shyness, a phenomenon observed in some tree species, wherein the crowns of trees do not touch each other, forming gaps, which help trees share resources and stay healthy. Some trees that display crown shyness include black mangrove, eucalyptus, camphor and Japanese larch. Did you know that Newton invented his motion formula during a lockdown? According to a news article in Washington Post, much like the coronavirus pandemic ravaging the globe right now, the Great Plague hit London. And one of them was social isolation or distancing. Trinity College, Cambridge, where Newton was studying, sent its students back home to continue their studies, and the Newton went back to his home. While he was on lockdown in his hometown during the Great Plague in 1665, Sir Isaac Newton formulated the science of motion, unraveled gravity, and calculus. Female stingrays can store a male sperm for years and use it to become pregnant whenever they want. At the Sea Life London Aquarium, 2 female stingrays delivered 7 baby stingrays, although the mothers have not been near a male for 2 years. This suggests some species of stingrays can store sperm then give birth when they deem conditions to be suitable. If you want to know about more surprising facts and the most expensive ones in the world, I have given a video links in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.